Right, so right now I'm changing the actuator, whatever it's called, on the boot latch is not opening. This is going to go in there. As you can see, it clips and band there. So what I've done, first and foremost, I've got this little plastic rivet out. Boom. Had a little look in there just to make sure it was all okay, and there wasn't anything which I could just quickly fix. Yep, so that's first step. Next step is going to be, I'm just got this here and I'm running along, unclipping everything along the way. Do this all the way around. I think I come to this section here. Might be able to just pop it out, but I'll do all around the other side first, unclip all of that. Alright, so what I've done next is I've just plied this down enough, taken off 1 bolt, 2 bolt, as you can see it's all coming off. You can see under here, so I'm going to try, rather than taking all of the trim off like I've seen other people do, I'm going to try just lean this down, see if I can unplug that wire, pull it out, see what it looks like, see if I can plug the new one in, and yeah, you go from there. Right, so I've undone the 3 bolts and he is coming loose. Go through, there you go, lovely, you can get him right out here. There's a little wire which I'm going to disconnect, and then I'll reconnect the new one, put that back in, give it a test, see if it works, and then screw it back in if it does. Right, so on my old one there's a housing, just push through that rivet and this housing pops off, and obviously put that new housing on your new one. Looks like I might have to take off this metal housing with 2 metal screws, pop that onto the new one as well, and that's how easy that job is. That's for the boot actuator, whatever you call it, boot latch for the CX-5, Mazda CX-5.